15. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it.
Oh, whoop.
50.
I even got
Left
a
2
little
over crest, 40. This is a 2.
All right.
Right 5 plus, 60. Then right 4 minus up. Into left 4, tightens to 2. So right 4 minus up. Left 4, tightens to 2 at crest, 30. Left 6. Then jump into left 5 plus, then crest and right 3 plus. It's a crest into right 3 plus, then left 3 plus, left 3 plus, then right 4, then left 2 opens. Then left 2 opens again. Left 2 opens here, 40. Then left 5. Then right 5 over crest, so left 5. Then right 5 over crest, tightens to 4. Then right 3 tightens 1. Sure tightens 4. Then right 3 tightens to 1. 30. Crest 30, left 2 minus. Into left 2 long, tightens. Left 2 long, or right 2 long, tightens. Then 40 over finish. Then stay right over jump. Nice.
Good job.
You too. Yeah, you're coming into that first 2, and I was like, ah.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully he doesn't have spectator face.
All right.